Oops. Starting video 2. Okay, again, here we are. Dean Farm, January 27th, 2016. 4 days after we received a whopping 30 plus inches of snow right here in Derwood, Maryland. And we have a couple sled runs that Ryder and myself built. We started Sunday night, got one of them done, and then proceeded to make the footpath into another shallower, narrower run with a good sized jump and a wall down here that, and the intention is to ride around it with some of the melt and refreeze. It's gotten really hard, so a lot of times you go over the edge, but fortunately we have about 10 feet from the back here to the fence. Doesn't look like it from up top, but it is. So got a good bit of room. Look, there's the jump, comes down. Here's the other course, and Ryder's about to go. All right, bud, whenever you're ready. And there was that one. All right, now going up and do the other one. There's Ryder. Wave to the camera, bud. Safety first, helmet and goggles, just in case you do hit the fence. But he's come close a couple times, but you slow down when you go over this wall, so that's a plus. I did more dangerous when I was a kid. Alright, he's heading back up. And he's going to do run number 2 with the jump. I will do the best. I can't really see this too well because of the sunlight, but hopefully the video turns out better. Here he comes. There it is. Anybody in the area, family of the Deans, come on over and try it out. See ya.